Our 31st annual Halloween Hoot tradition is back, and with even more fun for the whole family. The trails will be outfitted with dazzling lights, animated family-friendly Halloween props, ghostly apparitions, and spooky sounds throughout the haunted forest. There might even be an alien or two. Are you brave enough to make it through the trails? Join us, October 21st, 22nd, and 23rd 2022, at Dinosaur Hill Nature Preserve, in Rochester, Michigan. We have been just dying to meet you. Enter, if you dare. Powered by LightMike.net Event Lighting and our great sponsors.